Hey guys, what's happening? Sorry for the non-eventful, no dramatic climax to this Hughes and Kettner amplifier. It never even made it to my bench because it is now 100% fixed. It's turned on right now. It's 100 watts. Let's switch the channels. It's I just kind of picked through it a little bit, and there's all kinds of different effects and storage and different stuff that I haven't even delved into yet. It's programmable, master volume. Um, it's got 4 different channels. I was messing with all of them. I really like the lead channel, is very good, as well as the ultra channel. What was wrong with it? It was literally a bad. Let's make sure those leads are not touching. It was literally a bad 12AX7. Um, that I told you guys in a previous video that I had switched them through and it got kind of quieted down, but still was not passing signal. So I grabbed a couple of my 12AX7s, known working ones, and popped them in there. I'm gonna have to figure out which one's bad so that I can get my groove tube one that belongs to the Carvin amplifier. It needs to go back in the Carvin amplifier. I want to get that one back. So yeah, I don't know which one it is. I'll figure that out at a later time. But I'm not going to bother going in depth with this because it's fixed. And I mean, man, again, I don't consider myself an amplifier tech or even an amplifier repairman. I have repaired some amps and built a couple. But man, Guitar Center has a hell of a tech. Works for me. So anyway, I was just jamming on it a little bit. I'm gonna let it sit here in the on position and just kind of sit here for a while. I'll plug back into it and putz around with it, make sure it is working 100%. I wouldn't mind replacing that one capacitor that seems to have a chip out of it. I think it's that one right there. Wouldn't mind replacing that while I've got the thing open. But there it is. No dramatic ending, no dramatic climax, no drama whatsoever. Good score, good find. Guitar Center Dumpster. Till next time, peace out.